Pittosporum is a versatile and attractive evergreen shrub with glossy leaves that adds beauty to any garden or landscape. If you want to experience the satisfaction of growing Pittosporum from seeds and witnessing the growth of these charming plants from scratch, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process and ensure successful propagation. Selecting the seeds. Obtain high-quality Pittosporum seeds from a reputable source or collect them from a mature Pittosporum plant. Make sure the seeds are fresh and free from any damage or disease. Preparation and stratification, optional. Some Pittosporum species benefit from a process called stratification to break seed dormancy. To stratify the seeds, place them in a moist paper towel and seal them in a plastic bag. Keep the bag in the refrigerator for 4-6 weeks before sowing. Choosing the right time for planting. The ideal time for sowing Pittosporum seeds is in late winter or early spring, when the temperature starts to warm up. This allows the seeds to germinate in optimal conditions. Preparing the planting medium. Create a well-draining and fertile planting medium. You can use a mixture of peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite, or purchase a seed starting mix from a garden center. Sowing the seeds. Fill seed trays or small pots with the planting medium, leaving a small space at the top. Place 1 or 2 seeds on top of the soil in each container. Gently press the seeds into the soil, ensuring they make good contact. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil or vermiculite, just enough to cover them lightly. Watering and humidity. Water the seeds gently using a spray bottle or a fine mist to avoid disturbing them. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged during the germination period. To maintain humidity, cover the trays or pots with plastic wrap or use a seed tray with a clear lid. Germination and growth. Place the trays or pots in a warm, well-lit area, but out of direct sunlight. Germination time may vary depending on the species, but it generally takes 2-6 weeks. Once the seedlings have grown a few inches tall and developed several leaves, they can be transplanted to larger pots. Transplanting and care. Gently transplant the seedlings into larger pots filled with potting mix. Provide bright, indirect light to the young plants. Water regularly and ensure the soil remains consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Fertilize the seedlings with a balanced, diluted fertilizer after a few months of growth, hardening off and outdoor planting. Before transplanting the Pittosporum seedlings outdoors, gradually expose them to outdoor conditions for a week or 2 to acclimate them to the change in environment. Plant the seedlings in their permanent location, ensuring they have enough space to grow and thrive. Growing Pittosporum from seeds is a rewarding experience that allows you to observe the entire life cycle of these beautiful plants. With proper care, patience, and attention to detail, you can enjoy a flourishing Pittosporum garden that will bring joy for years to come.